There's a bolt right there in the middle. Instead of taking them two off, we can take the whole bar off with that. The front shutters pop off. I didn't even need to take this light off. I'm going to pop that light back in as well. So yeah, that's the front off now. Let's continue. So this is what I meant by everything's opposite on this quad. So if you see now, the ignition is not on. If you try pulling the key out, it doesn't come out. If you put the ignition on, then the key will come out, which is a bit pointless because someone would bloody end up stealing it. So we need to sort that out as well. Told you, everything's opposite. So now it's locked, everything's off. You can't pull the key out. Okay, so we've managed to find the plug what the wrong way around switch is connected to. So it's this plug here. So we're going to go ahead and remove the sellotape. As you can see, it's bloody got some duct tape on it. So someone has been having a play here previously. This is 4 plug and this is 4 wire, so these weren't even plugged in, they were literally just stuffed in there. So what I might have to do is get an actual Polaris plug to fit this plug, because these wires are just no good. So I'm going to order a Polaris plug. We might as well go ahead and remove this key switch, so when you do have the new one. Oh, that was easy, innit? It literally just dropped out. Yeah, there you have it. Okay, everyone. So we removed the old key ignition switch. As you can see, these were wired in here very messily. The new keys that have arrived, made in China, from Kazkai. Nice little box. Comes with a free keyring. Love that. And then this should just plug into here, all being well, without none of that messy wires or anything. Fingers crossed the ignition works. Yes. Well, we've got a faulty relay, so I'm going to have to look to that. But now we can turn the ignition off and remove the key, which is what we wanted to do. So let's fit this back in now to where it's supposed to be. And then you just get this ring that goes over the actual key. You're going to just tighten this up, make sure no wires are stuck. Turn it left, turn it right. Make sure the wires are not getting trapped anywhere. So just grip it and tighten it. Oh yeah. Just make sure it's not spinning from behind. So that's it, guys. That's another video showing you how to just quickly change over your faulty key system. You don't want to be rewiring stuff and everything like that on the cheap, and you can literally just buy one of these. It cost me $11.99. I'll put the link in my description below if you want to have a look. Stay tuned for more videos. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one. It's not a game.